in-demand party. Everybody wants to be there. For students starting a 4-year technical degree, that half of what they learn in their first year of study will be outdated by their 3rd year of study.
As part of their Black History Month celebration, Verizon hosted a coding workshop for over 60 diverse students at their Basking Ridge, New Jersey headquarters.
Yes, it is a great opportunity to learn how to make an app on a phone using a computer.
Students from local STEM schools received hands-on experience in coding and creating mobile applications with the help of instructors.
Well, today's event is a very exciting event that we're using to kick off our Black History Month here at Verizon. We have so many exciting things planned for the students today, including interacting with some of the HBCUs, representatives from our Verizon Innovation Team, representatives from the Verizon Internship Team, but most of all, we have the Black Girls Who Code as one of our corporate partners who's coming to teach the students how to code. So they're going to actually get a chance to design apps today with us here at Verizon.
Today, the students are using MIT's App Inventor to create mobile apps. We have a couple of quick games, if you will, that they're going to be going through. So they'll be able to quickly develop an app, download it to an Android phone, and test it out for themselves.
We have apps out there for everything, and you're going to get the foundation today. I am so excited for you.
The students joined Michelle Dutton, Vice President of Corporate Technology for Verizon, Kwame Jackson, a New York City businessman and former Apprentice reality star, and Jonathan Fowler from Black Girls Code in an interactive workshop and conference.
Black History Month is not just a celebration, but a time for creation. And creation is what STEM is all about. Everything related to STEM is about creating. It's about not being tardy for the party.
75% of all future careers will have some sort of STEM attachment, even if it's not a chemical engineer or whatever it may be. And so the fact that you can code, the fact that you can do advanced math, the fact that you can, manipulate things on a molecular level in your biology class, when I was just doing chemistry with Bunsen burners, I think it's a different level that kids need to be trained to now to compete with the Chinas of the world, to compete with the Pakistans of the world, and really keep America on the forefront. And I do believe that one of these kids in this room, or that I might be talking to today, is going to be the one to take us to Mars.
Black Girls Code introduces computer coding lessons to young girls from underrepresented communities in programming languages.
Black Girls Code is a nonprofit started in 2011 by engineer Kimberly Bryant. The work we do really reaches girls of color ages 7 to 17. We're working to introduce them to the digital space and show them the opportunities available to them so that we can increase the number of women of color in the technology fields and careers.
You could never go wrong by getting a job in the technology field. Like my mom tells me all the time, I would never run out of a job if I become a IT person or a programmer, stuff like that.
College recruits also attended and networked with students at the event.
Just amazing to see the students that are excited about the STEM program, and also to have a hands-on experience that what they're doing now is applying the app, developing an app. So the kids are encouraged, and it's a great program. So I'm excited to be here and to represent Howard University.
A lot of times, again, as a community, we're consumers. We use a lot. But to actually engage students in creating, I think that's what we need to see more of, and definitely thank Verizon for creating that opportunity today.
The workshop is part of Verizon's Black History Month campaign, which centers on students from the Bronx Academy of Promise, who were the winners of the first Verizon Innovative App Challenge, a national competition that challenges students to ideate concepts for mobile applications that solve community issues.
Excitingly, Verizon has launched an ad campaign in honor of Black History Month under their program Potential of Us. This commercial actually showcases how technology is helping these kids pursue their passion in technology to reach their highest potential.
The campaign highlights Verizon's commitment to empowering the African American community to pursue their passions to reach their highest potential through technology, and to not just celebrate history, but create it.
It actually seems really interesting going in a STEM career. I feel like I can learn a lot of stuff. Maybe better my education, get into a really good college like MIT.
As a global technology leader, Verizon is committed to bolstering student interest in science, technology, engineering, and math, otherwise known as STEM, and driving initiatives that integrate technology into the classroom.
When you think about the graduation rates, 18% of the graduates in engineering degrees are women. However, when you look at the jobs, we have about 28% of the women in engineering fields, but only 6% of the black population. And so it's really critical that we have an inclusive culture when we think about our STEM fields.
To learn more about Verizon's philanthropy, please go to www.verizon.com/about/responsibility.
What we're really hoping that they'll do is go home, continue tinkering, creating, hacking it, making it their own, and seeing what's available to them. We want to encourage creativity as well as, developing technology skills.
Technology 1.